It just happened to catch this one going through the fence. This is my broilers. These guys will be 5 weeks old Monday here, and today is Thursday. So they have this little hut here that we built. We called it our broiler house. So we have netting over the top. That way the hawks don't get them, and we do have a big long UC canopy there for protect from the weather here. Have access to also come out under the tarp. This little hutch here belongs to a duck. It was an injured duck, so I keep him separated, and so he comes out here. They all come out with him. This side of the hut here, we have a tarp that comes down, so that way they still have shelter, and with the sun being on this side, they like to come out here and bake in the sun. This is kind of like a side view. As you see, I got tarps up, so I kind of made a wind barrier, so that way when it gets cold, and I've got straw all down for them. These are my meat birds. As you see, they're happy and very well taken care of.